One of the things we like to always do on a website is have good quality icons. And there's a few ways we can do this, but I'm going to show you the easiest way. So here's the icons. I go to the page, and what I'm looking for are just keyword phrases that represent these different sections. So I'm going to go to a place. This one is called freepick.com. I get here and I can search for icons. And then I can go up here to the top and I'll just go back and forth and I'll say, okay, rates. And I'll just type in rates. And then it's going to show me icons related to rates. I can click on one of these, like this one, and click download. I'll download the PNG version. It's going to try to sell me something else. I'll say maybe later. And that's how I can get a variety of icons. Then I go to the website or the page that I'm going to update these, and I can see there's the sections. So I'm going to X out of this one, and I'm going to click add images. And I'm going to go to the upload files, select file, and then I'm going to do something. This is just a little trick. I want to be able to find these icons easily once I upload them. So you can see the one I just downloaded has recession and then a big number. So I'm going to click on that, right click on it, click rename. I'm going to put in the name of the business I'm working with and then type in rates icon. And then I'm going to upload that as a PNG. You can see I've done some others. There it is. I click select. There it is. Then I go through the rest of these, loan. So then I'll just add this one, and there's a loan, select, and cost. Go through these. Construction. So I'll do that one. Payment penalties. Process. Terms. And finally, fees. Then I go back through these, make sure I didn't use any duplicates. I might have done one. Oh, that looks good. Then I update. And now I go from this that has a variety or that has some similar ones. I refresh the page. They automatically resize. I just scan through them, make sure they all look good. And that is how I update icons on a page using a free icon tool.